Today I traded the entire day. I normally limit myself to 4 trades, but I decided to try something new where I wait for the best setups and keep my risk small and take as many trades as possible as long as I don't hit my daily max loss. So I traded 11 stocks today, way too many. So let's get to the trades. So the first trade was on American Airlines, and I was watching this because it announced its quarterly earning. I believe it beat its quarterly earning, profit beat on low fuel cost, and this thing was up about 5% in the pre-market. So I took a bunch of trades on American Airlines today. The first one was seeing the double tails. I tried shorting it. I got stopped out. I tried again later on. So the first one was a loser. The second one, yes, I seeing these double tops. Actually triple tops. 1 top, 2 top, 3 top. We're below VWAP, and we have to fight this red wall right here. So I went short, and it dropped. I did not like the fact that we made a sort of a triple bottom here, 1, 2, 3. So I took the entire position off. My target was this red line, the 200 moving average, but it didn't look like it was going to get there, so I took it off. And good thing I did, because after that it rallied. I took another trade on this, saying this double top. So 1 top, 2 top, went short, and I didn't like that my target was VWAP, but it looked like it found support here, so I took the position off. So that was a small winner. Did I take one more trade on this? Yeah, so I took 3 trades on AAL. 1 was a loser and 2 were small winners. And then Comcast is the stock that basically made my day very long. So on Comcast, CMCSA, it announced its quarterly earning, and it beat its quarterly earning, and despite beating its quarterly earning and being profitable, the stock sold off. My first attempt was going long off the double bottom here, 1, 2. So I saw that 85 was holding. We have the 200, went long. I got stopped out, and then I tried taking it long again. Looks like I reasoned 1 bottom, 2nd bottom. We have previous closing price, went long, stopped out, so 2 losers. And then I tried taking it again once I noticed this level is holding once, twice, 3 times, went long, and I was, I sold some, and on the rest I got out break even. So CMCSA was pretty much a break even trade. In fact, with commissions and what have you, is a small loser. So the first 2 were losers, and the third one I locked in some profit, but it was not enough to get me profitable on the name. I traded Roku. Roku was unfortunate because Roku did the move that I thought it was going to do. So on Roku, I think I traded it about 4 or 5 times. So I saw this level holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, bottoming tails, which implies buying pressure. Went long. It dropped. I got out. My plan was to get to this level right here, pre-market high. That was my final target. And then I saw that it made the move that I thought it was going to make after it stopped me out. And then this trade I'm not proud of. I saw that, oh yeah, right here. It looked like it was about to break pre-market high and test yesterday's high, so I went long, but I got stopped out. but it kept holding this level, so I went long again, stopped out. So 3 attempts, 3 losers. And then I took it one more time. I noticed that it sold off to the 200 in VWAP, and seeing this bottoming tail, went long. It did pop up, but I wanted more from it. But once it started to curl back down, I got out for a small winner. So Roku was a loser today. 4 attempts, 3 losers, and 1 a small winner. So lost money on Roku. I traded Caterpillar. This was a stock that I traded yesterday, and then I don't even remember what I did on Cat. Oh yeah, I tried shorting Cat. I saw that we lost the double bottom, so one bottom, second bottom, we lost this level, so I went short, but it went in my direction. But once it started to come back up, I got out for a break even, so I didn't lose money on Cat. So that was a scratch. Traded Nvidia. Nvidia actually made my day. So Nvidia, well, I should have stopped trading after the Nvidia trade, and I just stuck with the plan. So on Nvidia, I noticed in the open that we were holding this level, but we sold off to the 200, and yesterday's high, I saw a one tail, 2 tail, 3 tails, 3 bottoming tails. So triple bottom, 1 bottom, 2 bottom, 3 bottom, went long, and I sold some at VWAP, and the rest I got out when it started to lose VWAP and the 50 moving average. My initial target was pre-market high, but prior to this Nvidia trade, I took a couple of losses on Roku, so I wanted to capture profit. But once I noticed that we did not sell off drastically after we rejected VWAP, I went long again, and it popped up, and I should have held for pre-market high, but I seeing this topping tail, I sold half and then sold the rest. So Nvidia was a winner. So 2 trades on Nvidia, they were both winners. I traded Alibaba on Baba. What did I see? I don't even remember. That's how you know I overtraded today. Oh yeah, I tried shorting Baba. So I saw this topping tail and then these big red bars, and I went short right here with the high of these 1, 2, 3 bars, and I got stopped out. So I took a stab at it, and that was that. Tesla, I traded Tesla. So Tesla was my, well, so I traded Tesla twice. The first time Tesla was up like 17% because it beat its quarterly earning. And on Tesla, I saw we got above the 200 moving average, so I went long. But once we dropped, I flipped my position and went short with a stop the high of this bar, and it dropped by about 3 points or so. So I covered half here and covered more here, and the rest of my position I got out once we got above VWAP. I traded Apple. Yeah, I traded 11 stocks today. Traded Apple. I don't even remember what I did on Apple. Oh yeah, I tried shorting Apple. Yeah, well, so on Apple, seeing these, seeing I'm so tired. I've been trading the entire day, and I'm trying to get this recap done. But yeah, so I seeing a double top, I went short, and I covered some at the 50 moving average, and I took off the entire position here because I did not like the fact that it found support once, twice, 3 times, so I took the position off. traded Boeing. What did I do on Boeing? So Boeing was a stock that I traded yesterday, and then on Boeing, oh yeah, I tried shorting Boeing, saying this one top, second top with a topping tail went short, but I got stopped out. AMU was probably my best trade. I traded AMU as well, so AMU moved up by like 5% today, and oh man, let me see. Oh wow. Okay, so on AMU, I shorted it twice. The first time, I saw that we made a top, and we were making lower highs or higher lows, so I went short here at 46.50, and then once I saw that we were not selling off, I got out for a small profit, and then I tried shorting it again but got stopped out, and then I took, and then I no that's not what happened. Yeah, I tried shorting it here, and then it popped up, so I flipped my position and I covered. I pretty much sold all the way to a higher day. So those were my trades today. I definitely overtraded. Not happy with the fact that I had to trade the entire day to make my day. When I signed up for day trading, I just wanted to trade 1 hour, and just call it a day, but sometimes that's not realistic. And yeah, I've definitely been over trading the past 3 days, so I'm gonna have to evaluate what I'm gonna have to do moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.